To show or hide camera cutout in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter display right here, and then we can navigate down to the camera cutout. When you enter it, you will see a list of the different apps, and you can also see a preview for your camera cutout. When it's selected to show camera cutout, that way you will see your screen all the way to the top of the edge. If it's set to hide camera cutout, that way you'll get a black line where the status bar is. So select whichever app you want to adjust. For example, I want to show camera cutout in my Google Chrome, so let's change it to show, and in the, let's say, contacts, I want to hide the camera cutout. Now if I open one of those apps, for example Google Chrome, it should have it shown, and then if I open the contacts, it will hide. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.